Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as promised, I did post a question on my Instagram story asking if you guys wanted to see my new budget planner, and a lot of you said yes. So this video is for you guys who said yes. So the 1 in a billion question: where is this budget planner from? This budget planner is by Paper by Jessica, I believe that's her name. Let me see. Yes, so it's Paper by Jessica. I will go ahead and leave her Instagram and her YouTube right here, so you guys can go ahead and follow her. And if you're interested in purchasing one of these, you can go ahead and click the link in her Instagram. So let's get started. All right guys, so this is what it looks like, and it's called the Ultimate Budget Planner: Clean, Organized, and Intentional. As you can see, it's very bulky, and I love it. I love bulky books, planners. And right here it has these metal corners, in which makes it look very sophisticated and very nice. Back here it says papers, and then when you open the back, it has this elastic band in the back. I guess you can choose whether you want to put the elastic band like this or just leave it back there as is. Right, so now let's open it. So when you open it, you have these trees here and this little, I guess, pouch or like envelope, whatever you want to call it. You could put maybe some envelopes or paper in there, I don't know. So here it says how to use this planner, and it basically tells you everything it has. Like it says important goal dates, planning your vision, this year's vision, annual bill trackers, debt snapshot, savings and debt repayment trackers, net worth tracker, and then investment tracker, MRA HSA tracker, credit score tracker, Christmas budget, a monthly intentions, paycheck tracker and expense tracker, and a monthly review. So the second page has this amazing planner belongs to, and you write your name, the year. So here we have important goal dates, set a date. So every month you can set something you want to accomplish, or you know, like if you want to save more money, put more money towards your emergency fund, or let's say you want to drink more water or exercise, you know, goals, any goals. Next, on this side we have planning your vision, and here you can write your morning routines, evening routines, healthy habits to try, significant purchases, financial goals, mini bucket list. I was just talking about a bucket list. What's most important to me this year. And then like I think it's in every page there's like, let me see, or like not every page, but in some pages there's like quotes. This one, it says there's no greater agony than bearing an untold story inside you. Wow. So as I was showing you guys on my Instagram story, I was making some stickers for this mini vision board. So I do plan on doing that. If you guys see her Instagram, she has her mini vision board, and it includes like adventures and spending time with family, and that's basically what I want to do. Well, some of my vision mini vision for this year. And then down here it says, what are your big prayers, requests for this year? What stands in your way from achieving your vision? How will you prioritize your vision? And what motivates you to achieve your vision? Then in the next page we have more visions. These are dotted pages. You can draw or maybe put a picture here of maybe of a goal. Like let's say you want to lose weight and to look how you used to look 10 years ago. You'll put a before like a before and after picture. I don't know, something like that. Or maybe if you go on a adventure, you can post pictures here. You know, you can get creative. And it has a couple of these. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, maybe like 4 or 5 pages, right? Now we're gonna start with January. Well, each one of these is the same, but this is what it looks like. So when we open this, it says monthly intentions, planning ahead. So you can write your thoughts about the month. What do you want to accomplish this month in January? Money goals, wellness goals, what stands in my way, my motivation, prayer requests, notes, affirmations, kind words to myself. All right, so this is January's calendar. The one I purchased is undated, so I get to put like the stickers, like the numbers, you know, make it look really nice. It's all up to you how you wanna make it look. Next page, we have habit trackers. This is like if you wanna drink more water, or let's say you wanna cut down on sugar or something like that. Any habit you want to accomplish, you can track it here. Gratitude, and then here you can just do whatever you want. We have a grocery list, notes, self-love this week, a to-do list again, and there's like a couple of these. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, she was very generous about that. So like I was showing you guys on Instagram, this is a paycheck tracker. So here you basically can budget every paycheck. I think it comes with, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it comes with five paycheck trackers. So that's more than enough for me. So this is a paycheck tracker. You can write your income source and write down your fixed bills, your debt payments, variable bills, your savings, any notes you want to jot down so you can remember later on, any needs or wants. This is awesome. Here we have an expense tracker. It's broken down into date, transaction, category, added, withdrawn, balance, and then up here starting balance. And like I said, this has a couple of them. And then so this is a monthly review. This is what you call a sinking funds update. So this you do like at the end of the month, just to keep track of how much you've saved, how much it has your sinking funds has increased or decreased. So here we have category, budget, actual, plus and minus, notes, and then here you write what you're proud of, grateful for, improvements to make. This is amazing. Improvements to make. Focus for next month, goals reached, lesson learned. This is definitely a must because sometimes we do tend to, you know, go over our budget, and then we start digging into other categories, into other cash envelopes, and maybe this is something we need to, you know, it might be something you want to improve, maybe not to dig in from your cash envelopes, you know, something like that. And then you have like a dotted page back here, and this is the same for all of it. I just want to show you guys the back. So we're gonna go down to trackers. Guys, I love this. Trackers, bill payment tracker. Here you write down the bill name, the amount, and if it's auto pay. And then here you could just use like a highlighter and, you know, put a highlighter every time you pay that bill for every month, just so you can keep track of everything. You can also write the due date. You have a page here with lines, and then that snapshot. Like, guys, this is genius. This is literally genius. I love this planner. I've been looking for a planner like this for like ever. And I came across this one and I fell in love like instantly. So this one is a debt snapshot. So here you start, you write down your total starting debt, total balance, average interest rate, total debt payments, target debt-free date. This is beautiful. You have here on the side a box for notes, and then creditor, starting balance, minimum payment, goal payoff day, order paid. I love this. So there's a couple of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Guys, she's too generous. So there was 11 of those. Now, the next thing is my savings tracker. And this I will definitely use. Definitely. I will be using for my emergency fund, to save for a future home, for my kids, you know, things like that. So this one is my savings tracker. So you write down the category of your saving, the current balance, your savings goal, how much you want to save, monthly contribution, bank name, and account number. And this is what it looks like. And this one has, oh, and up here says my why do you want to save? So let's say for emergency fund, you want to save 6 months worth of your monthly bills, right? Just in case, God forbid you lose your job or something happens and you can't work, you have a backup. You have that emergency fund to help you pay for all those bills, all your fixed expenses for 6 months, right? So that's what I'm using for too. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's good. And then this page with lines. Here we have a net worth tracker, and this is to build wealth. And this here you write down your savings balance, debt balance, retirement, net worth change. This I still need to learn about this, but this is good to have because, oh, look right here, it has a formula: assets minus liabilities equals net worth. So you can follow that. Okay, the next one is investment tracker. So this is like if you make an investment for a company or something like that. Any type of investment. Listen, I'm not an investor. So yeah, so this is for that. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a MRA/HSA tracker and staying healthy. So here you write your bill amount, refunded, new balance, notes, etc. And then here you have pages with lines and another one. This, I love this too. Credit score tracker. I am trying to build my credit score for a future home. So this is good to have because you can track your credit score every month. You know, every month it changes, or, you know, it updates every month. So you can track it here. I love this. And it has all 3 of them. It has Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Right here. Oh my God. I love this. Here we have a holiday spending. Merry Christmas. And this is for Christmas. So fund goal, you can put, you want to save $2,000. Your goal date for when? Maybe a month before Christmas, so you can shop for Christmas in advance, right? And then how much you actually spent. So here you will keep track of everything you've spent, the person you spent the gift for, the gift budget, how much you budgeted to gift them, some ideas, the actual gift you bought them, how much you actually spent, and what's the difference. And here we have also a holiday spending, and this is you write down the category, the amount, the previous balance, and the new balance. So how much you had before you spent the gift for this person, and then your new balance, and you write down the notes. Then we have a dotted page here, and then faith. Ooh, I love this. So intentional scriptures for you, pray for it. So this is for religious or non-religious people, sometimes we need a word of encouragement or some wisdom, right? So what do? We go to the back of this planner, and let's say you're having some sort of anxiety or stress and you want to pray on it. Here she added some Bible verses, which is awesome. This is beautiful. Here there's some Bible verses for anger, for feeling discouraged. Wow. Identity, loneliness, abandonment, love, fear, control, trust. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Complacency. Oh, complacency. Duh. Knowledge, integrity, marriage, children, selfishness, pride, work, finances, addiction, disappointment, self-worth, self-love, idols, family, friendships, sacrifice, peace, compromise, depression, and thoughts, honor, clarity, purpose, health, wisdom. Wow. And here you have your prayer request page where you write your request and if it was answered. This is awesome, you guys. This woman really put a lot of work into this. And then you can write your favorite scriptures. So your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. Wow. Amen. Guys, look at this. This is beautiful. And she has her website here. This is where I purchased it from. So you could go to PapersbyJessicaAnn, ANN.com. Wow, this is beautiful, guys. Look at this. I love it. Well, guys, this is the end of it. If you guys are interested, you already know. I will leave the link in the description box below. Guys, so one more thing I wanted to show you guys that I purchased is this beautiful pink knitted crochet that I got from ChristinaLovesPlanning. This is beautiful. She has, this one is an A6. These are from my cash envelopes, but she does have bigger ones and you can fit a planner in there. But for this one, this is for my cash envelopes. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is my cash binders, and what I use this for, so this is what it's for, and this is basically for like your purse, like, you know, you want to put it in your bag and you don't want your binders to be exposed, you know, for privacy, or you don't want it to get wet or dirty or something like that. You know, if you go on vacation, you can put your binders in there, and look how beautiful. Like, I just love it. I love it so much. Yeah, so I will also leave her link down below if you guys want to check her out. Go ahead and support, and that's about it. So tomorrow I will be making another video of me stuffing my bills binder and also my sinking funds binder. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Go support, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.